everyone. I haven't done a video for a while. I just got back home last week Friday. I done one video, but I don't know what happened to it. I couldn't find it. So yeah, my trip was okay. Wasn't so great, but it wasn't bad either. The country is really getting changed. It looks like Europe, to be honest with you. So I'm really impressed and I like it. The only thing makes me disappointed was some people works at the office. They still have that old mentality. Yeah, especially when they see our ID, we are not from the country, like we are diaspora, they call it. So they ask unfair money, you know. Other than that, to be honest with you, the country is so beautiful. Everything is changed, the environment, the view, beautiful. The only thing, as I said, so yeah, I hope the government will work on those people who works in the office but corrupted. What else? እንዴት ናችሁ? ሀረግነኝ ተመልሼ መጥቻለሁኝ። ኢትዮጵያ ሄጄ ነበረ። በጣም ያምራል ሀገሪቷ። በጣም ነው የተቀየረችው። በጣም ከሚባለው በላይ ደስ ይላል በጣም። እኔ ደግሞ ወክ ወዳለው ጥሎብኝ I can't wait until I go back and walk around. But አንዳንድ ኦፊስ የሚሰሩ ሰዎች ግን still የድሮ አይነት ኮራፕሽን ሜንታሊቲ ነው ያላቸው። The minute they see our ID, they ask us more. God bless Ethiopia. God bless. I gotta go. I got distracted. Bye bye.